Hello and welcome back to the video. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the bell button to be notified of any new videos that come out. And hit the thumbs up if you do enjoy these videos. So in this video today, I'm going to show you just a very quick and simple recipe for something that's, you want a quick snack, quick breakfast, very easy to make, only a few ingredients. So it's going to be peanut butter, banana, cottage cheese. So the first thing we do is get a low-fat cottage cheese. I just got the 1% low-fat cottage cheese, great value. Doesn't matter about the curd size, large, small, whatever you want to use. It's 113 grams per serving, or half a cup. I weighed it all out on a measuring scale. So I did 3 servings of this, which came out to 339 grams, 240 calories. You only have 1 gram of fat in this, 12 grams of protein, so 36 grams of protein just in the 3 servings. Next up, I used PB Fit, and with the PB Fit, I did 3 servings of this, 16 grams per serving, so I did 48 grams of the PB Fit, and that's another additional, it's 8 grams of protein in 1 serving, so 24 grams of protein in 3 servings. So right here between the PB Fit and the cottage cheese, you got over 50 grams of protein. So a hefty amount of protein just in that too. And then I cut up just a regular banana. I did weigh out the banana. It was 113 grams, which came out to about 117 calories. So it would vary on what kind of size banana you want to use if you want to get very technical and very keep track of every single calorie that you're putting in. Weigh your banana. If not, just you know, it's a round estimate between 100 to 150 calories, depending on what size your banana is. And then last thing up, I added some, which is optional, you can add some chocolate syrup if you like chocolate with your peanut butter and banana. I just did 1 serving of this, 31 grams, was 10 calories for 1 serving, just sprinkled it on top. So very quick and simple to do. This is how it comes out. And first thing I did was added the cottage cheese, the 339 grams. Then I added in the PB Fit, 48, mixed it all together. Didn't add any water or anything, it mixed just with the cottage cheese. And then after that, I sliced up 113 grams, I think I said, of a banana, or 131 grams of a banana. Put it right on top, drizzled it with some chocolate syrup. So it's a matter of, I don't know, 2 to 3 minutes. I mean, very quick, very simple to make. Very filling snack or breakfast. If you want it on the go, when you have to go somewhere real fast and you need to eat something on the go, I mean, this is something that you can eat right before you go. It's very easy, simple to make. And if you were to make the whole thing exactly like I did, it would be 567 calories, 65.9 grams of that is carbs, 6.4 grams of that is fat, so very low fat in this, 64.4 grams protein. So a hefty amount of protein in this with the added 12.4 grams of fiber. So again, thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the bell button to be notified of any new videos that come out. And you guys have a great day.